Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv, your go-to source for honest, no-nonsense reviews. Today, we're checking out the Waring Commercial 700G blender. This isn't just any blender. It's designed with a specific focus on performance and durability, especially for those who need a reliable, high-speed blender in commercial kitchens or other demanding environments. So, what's so special about the Waring Commercial 700G blender? Let's find out. The Waring Commercial 700G blender is built for serious tasks. This powerful machine offers a single-speed operation with an impressive 22,000 RPM, making it a force to be reckoned with in the kitchen. It comes with a 40-ounce glass container, which is perfect for making larger batches of whatever you're blending, from smoothies to sauces. The glass container is paired with a durable stainless steel blade that can handle even the toughest ingredients. Whether you're crushing ice, pureeing vegetables, or mixing batter, this blender's got you covered. It's also equipped with a toggle switch design, making it easy to find and operate, even in dimly lit kitchens. The design of this blender isn't just functional, it's built to last. With a sturdy epoxy powder-coated zinc die-cast white housing, the Waring Commercial 700G blender has a sleek, waterfall-inspired design. It's not only aesthetically pleasing, but also rugged enough to withstand daily use in commercial settings. The blender measures 16.5 inches in height, 8 inches in width, and 7 inches in depth, making it compact enough to fit on most countertops without taking up too much space. In terms of real-world testing, I gave the Waring Commercial 700G blender a full workout. Setting it up was simple. Just plug it in and you're ready to go. The toggle switch made it easy to power up and switch on, even in a dimly lit environment. I put it through its paces by blending a range of ingredients: frozen fruit for smoothies, vegetables for soups, and ice to test its power. The 22,000 RPM speed was more than enough to break down frozen ingredients and ice in no time. While the blender does only have a single speed, it performs that one task exceptionally well. However, one downside is the lack of variable speed controls, which could limit versatility for some users who want more control over texture. When it comes to build quality, the Waring Commercial 700G blender does not disappoint. The epoxy powder-coated zinc die-cast housing is incredibly sturdy, making the blender feel solid and durable. The glass container is sturdy enough to handle heavy-duty blending tasks, though glass is heavier than plastic, so you'll need to be careful when handling it to avoid breaking it. Still, glass is generally preferred in commercial kitchens because it's more resistant to staining and odors, which is a big plus. As for the performance, this blender is a powerhouse. It consistently blended everything I threw at it, whether it was ice, fruit, or dense vegetables. Its single-speed setting operates at a constant 22,000 RPM, which means you don't have to worry about changing speeds mid-blend. The stainless steel blade does an excellent job of breaking down everything quickly, making it an ideal choice for commercial use where efficiency is key. That said, the one-speed feature might not be ideal for everyone. For home users or small-scale operations, having a few speed options would be more versatile for stuff. But for a commercial setting, the power and simplicity of a single speed could be a benefit. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the Waring Commercial 700G blender is incredibly powerful and easy to use. The glass container is sturdy, and the toggle switch design ensures ease of operation, even in low-light conditions. Its durable construction and high-speed motor make it a fantastic choice for high-demand environments. On the flip side, the lack of multiple speed settings could be a deal-breaker for those who need more control over their blending tasks. Additionally, the glass container, while durable, is heavier than plastic alternatives, which might be a concern for some users. Now, in terms of value for money, this blender is definitely a solid investment, especially for commercial kitchens or businesses that need a reliable, high-speed blender for regular use. It's not the cheapest option out there, but it offers excellent performance, reliability, and durability. When comparing it to other commercial blenders on the market, the Waring Commercial 700G stands out for its simplicity and power. You'll pay a premium, but for businesses that need something durable and reliable, it's worth the cost. If we look at some alternatives, there are blenders from brands like Vitamix or Blendtec, which offer multi-speed settings, but these models tend to be more expensive. If you're looking for a more affordable blender with similar performance, the Waring Commercial 700G may be the better choice, though it's a bit more specialized for commercial settings. For home users, though, you might want to explore options with multiple speed settings for more control over your blends. The build quality of the Waring Commercial 700G blender is another strong point. Its epoxy powder-coated zinc die-cast housing offers excellent durability, which is essential for commercial environments. As for longevity, this blender is built to last. Waring is a brand known for making robust, long-lasting products, and this blender fits right into that reputation. Though long-term reliability data is scarce for this specific model, the design and materials suggest that it should hold up well over time. When it comes to customer support, I didn't need to contact Waring's customer service during my testing, but the brand does have a reputation for providing solid support for its commercial appliances. Many customers report good experiences when dealing with their service team, which is reassuring if you're investing in a commercial-grade product like this one. Finally, let's wrap up with the verdict. The Waring Commercial 700G blender is a powerful, durable, and easy-to-use appliance built for demanding commercial environments. Its single-speed operation and robust build make it an excellent choice for businesses that need efficiency and reliability. While the lack of multiple speed settings might be limiting for some, its performance and simplicity make it an ideal option for those who need a workhorse blender. If you're running a commercial kitchen or catering business, this blender is worth considering. For home users or those who need more versatility, you might want to look at alternatives. Thanks for watching, and if you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for future reviews. If you've already used the Waring Commercial 700G blender or have any questions, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, keep blending, and remember, there's always more inside Reviews Inside TV.